Here at Wells College Injury Lawyers, we're here to help you. We want to make sure that you feel that you can reach out to us when you have a question. We want to make sure that you're not in the dark about what's happening, and we want you to feel comfortable with reaching out. We also understand you don't want to bug us. You don't want to feel like, oh, I don't want to bother my attorney if I'm calling. Is it too much? I know they have their job to do. And so I want to give you some ideas, some guidelines about when is it appropriate? When should you reach out to us? When should you contact us? And what's the best way to do it? Now, one time I had a client that thought I was representing her for a car crash case, and she thought that we were there to help with everything in her life. She was calling us with relationship problems, with family problems, with all sorts of problems in her life. And although we want to help, we want to be able to help, we also realized that we have a job to do. You've retained us to be able to help you with your injury case, and we want to be able to focus on that and do the best job that we can. So here are some guidelines to know. Of course, we're busy. We're working hard. We're helping a lot of people. We want you to feel like you can reach out to us when it is important. So here's the best way to reach out to us. If you have a question, reach out to your legal secretary. Reach out there first. Usually our secretaries are experienced, they're well-trained, they're informed about what's happening on the case, and they'll let you know. Most of the time they'll be able to answer the question that you have. Now, when you should reach out, we definitely want you to reach out if there's something big or something important that you have. Maybe it's involved with your medical treatment. There's a big question. Perhaps a doctor is recommending surgery and you're not sure what to do. Perhaps you've received a letter from the insurance company and you're not sure what it is. These are things we'll definitely reach out for help. Also understand, if it's not an emergency, understand that there's time. Usually in these personal injury cases, we are planning well into the future. We know that we're not just waiting to the last minute to get things done. And so there's typically time for you to reach out, time for us to solve your problems. But if there is an emergency, if you are really worried about what's happening, don't ever feel like it's too much of a burden to reach out and talk to us. We understand this is difficult. We understand that this is not something that happens to you every day, and there's going to be a lot of questions that you have along the way. Know that we're working hard on your case, but also know if you don't hear from us and want to know what's happening, it's okay to reach out. And so just another guideline, the best way to do it, the attorneys, we're all very busy. We're working on your case. If you call and every time the attorney is able to answer your phone right away, that actually might be a worrisome thing. It might concern you, because if the attorney has time to answer the phone every day, what's he doing the rest of the time? So the attorney's often working on your case, often in court, often interviewing witnesses and taking depositions. There's a lot of things the attorney is doing where he's not always going to be available if you call. And so that's why the best thing to do if you need to talk to the attorney, call and schedule an appointment.